All right, welcome to a new daily recap. Quick one, well, because I want to relax. I want to be done for the day. Um, you've probably seen if you follow me on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is the same name as my Twitter, YouTube, MauFX24. You probably saw that I took a trade and instantly closed it. I will go over it one more time. It's pretty straightforward. Oh, the reason to close it. Um, then I will go over New York because there were no more trades during London, I think. Depends on how you interpret it. I don't know how to say it, but essentially how you see it. And yeah, that's basically it. So coming into today, we got previous daily high, strong push to the upside. We got the previous daily low, and actually today we stayed inside that range. And I was initially looking for sells, of course, after previous daily high and Asia high being taken because there was too much liquidity to the upside, and therefore no sells were valid. And then I made a mistake of being too greedy, being hungry, and wanting to get into a trade after not being in a trade for, I think, since the 27th of March. Let me check. Yeah, so the 27th of March. So I felt like a little urge to trade, but really I shouldn't. And then we took out this low that was created over here. We know where we are on the high time frame, right? Oh, let's go over it. My bad. So high time frame wise, where are we? Liquidity taken above all highs inside weekly PY. Bearish on this structure, bullish on this bearish on this light blue structure. Sorry, zoom in, it's more visible. Bearish on this light blue structure, bullish on this dark blue structure. Took previous daily highs, to previous weekly highs, took internal range liquidity, then took these highs. News is still whack. I don't know, but I'm really puzzled with EU right now. But essentially we came above this, and I would wanted to see like one more grab and then a sell-off, because with this liquidity still build up here, it didn't seem to me like a nice setup to take it like this. And it was the trade, but I didn't like it. So a way to see it actually is, and that will validate these shorts, by the way. Let's first go over the long. So we took that liquidity, and we can actually see the 15-minute impulse closing above. Now, if you look at the 1 hour, yeah, it sucks really. Was not that good. 5-minute wise is where my entry came from. This is a horrible breakdown. Holy shit. I really feel it because I'm tired. And you can actually see I had this one, this low. So we got the sell to buy move that took out this liquidity, and we took out Asia lows. We got Asia high, previous daily high above. We got this trend line building up. So I was like, oh, let's take a long. However, if we go to DXY, you can see this was DXY, and actually DXY was over here, and DXY was pointing out longs to take out this liquidity. You can see liquidity taken. So this is actually what happened on DXY, where we already got that break of structure and we already took previous daily lows. So DXY was pointing out longs, meaning EU should point out shorts. However, EU didn't take it high yet, which was a bit unfortunate because that would have given me my setup to take a trade. But so the only thing I could have done really to participate in a trade was take a long here. That would look like that's this area on EU or on DXY, because we can see we got some early sellers. I'm just gonna point it out on DXY. Early sellers over here, this move. Then we got that move being taken out. Oh, That move being taken out. And then we got that continuation down. So early sellers taking out, continuation down. That would have been a nice sell move. And then only into the liquidity, of course. And if you wanted to do that on EU, you should have bought here and not here. So let's just purely focus on London. You can see, like, if you class this as a break, but I don't, not at all. You get your break here, or maybe even here, and then you can long from here, but that doesn't fit my plan, so. So yeah. And then I initially ended from this. You can see over here. There you go. And then the long, just like that. And this was my long, and I saw this move away. I was like, oh, that's good. But then I was like, no, 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 bro. Because I was talking myself into a trade. Don't talk yourself into a trade. Price action should talk yourself into a trade. Hold up, I told someone I would send him something. I really have to send it right away. Otherwise, no, let's send it right away. 1 second, guys. Um, where is it? There you go. 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. Oops. Yeah, 1 second. I have to really send this recipe. It's the best recipe ever. All right. On this one. All right, back to business. So that was the long, and we started like this. I was like, oh, that's a slow start. And we got news. And we got news later this week. We had news in the afternoon, so I was like, oh, we might just see price being slow for this day or for this session. Longs are nice, but we already took a lot of liquidity, so sells are high probability. So the buy into the sell makes sense, but less likely to play out. Not optimal long because the high time frame area we are in, because after taking so much high time frame liquidity, we can see price come lower. And I close the trade break even. We don't buy in premium after price takes so much high time frame liquidity. And when we are above high, so I didn't take that. And was there a short high enough? So with the idea that we already took so much liquidity, and then this is the other thing. So we got a low, a high, a higher low, a higher high, and this is then a bearish break and not liquidity grab. Bearish break. Um, uh, Internal range liquidity taken. Shit, so work. Come on. All right. So internal range liquidity taken. You got this unmitigated area over here. So I know I saw that candle is mitigated. There you go, but it's right. PY. So we got that unmitigated area. We also can see that we have a nice buy to sell move. Buy, sell. Now what does it look like? On lower time frames, let's go to the 1 minute. A buy, sell move. So we got that sweep over here. Then you got your entry. So you got a direct entry first of all. If you take that, you can use this as your break. But then you need like some confidence to take the shorts from here. You can see there are some breaks here. Let me go back to the 1 minute again. So bearish break over here, bear structure, return to premium, turn around, continuation down, and then early sellers, some form. Nope, there are no early sellers. Good class, this is your early sellers. They're taken out. Bearish break. And I don't think you get an entry from this, but you can try it anyway. So 34.24. No, so no entry there. But there's a direct entry from here. You could refine it. Let's actually snipe, put it above there. I think this one, oh, this is the final candle. That snipe, that's really nice. Take it from there, turn around. All right. Nice long there. There you go, there's the long. So lining it up with the XY coming below, EU coming below this. First of all, we get bear structure. No, you get a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low, lower high, lower low. Well, yeah. But yeah, hold up. Oh, another trick move. London swing. See around London open. We get, or actually half an hour after we get that swing move. Tired. I'm just thinking everything through as well. So, but I will class this as a bullish break. So hold up. That's itching so much. Sweep. You see that slowdown over here. That liquidity being taken, and then this can go to. Then going to DXY again. Coming above, move down. So, and then the turnaround move. I move here. Yeah. I'm gonna dot it out so you can see it better. All right, so we got a high. Got a high. You got a low. You got a lower high. And we get or a lower low over here. We get a lower high. We get a lower low. We get a bullish break. The bullish breaks and followed by the discount of this range. And where does the entry zone come from? Because we want to know where to enter. So essentially, we are, what the fuck is this? Maybe close this one, or just this one. A 50-minute break entry. Maybe I can refine it a little bit. There's no need to refine it. It's just a grab. turn around. Essentially, here should trade, and we come into the 50%, so we can look for a 1 minute entry, but price gives us a 5 minute entry. So we got this. I'm gonna clean it up. Hold up. So as I said this morning, we might not see this gap being filled. It did fill eventually, but I was not sure about it because of the high time frame momentum to the upside on EU. So we got this one. There you go. Long. This could be classed as some form of internal liquidity, but you can see it's really just reacting from this area. And this is support level overall, by the way. If you look over here, you just drag this across from here. You see, stop, push up, push down, push up, slow down, and probably if I drag it across, there's even more. But we don't want to focus on that right now. But this is a corner resistance zone. Sorry, got distracted. So we tap into the 50% of that bearish one. Or that the 50-minute demand zone, bullish break. And then if you go to 1 minute, it's super clean as well. We got some early buyers over here. So that's a nice addition to the 5 minute swing entry, but we don't need it. Oh, here you go. Early buyers. Taking out this high. Let this low. Bullish break. And on a 1 minute, there would have not been entry. So I like this. This is the thing with the new entry style. I don't need an order block for my entry, only for my high probability trade area. This is the trade. It's beautiful. Long trade. So over here, 18, 28 might be a little bit large. Let's go for 26. And I think it gets a beautiful 3.9, 4.4, targeting this high, partial. Beautiful. Yeah, New York is too clean lately. Pretty take on bullish break, 50-minute PY entry, boom, gone. And there was nothing else during New York. Was there? Well, we can check that. Nothing here, nothing here, and definitely nothing there. So yeah. I want to take a picture of this. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Uranium and flowers. Is he born spirit? Skills for checking to help calm the nervous system down.
Oh shit. Huh. Lol, the recording is still going. I got distracted by my thing. All right. I'm done. Peace out.